Hi guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joan Golden minecart. I don't know, it was his birthday yesterday. There we go, time is 20:06 on Friday, the 2nd of October 2000. This is for our 20:05, slightly delayed 20:05, 1 hour for 49, Virgin Trains East Coast Service, Leeds Wilkins Cross.
Did you know, back at Cromwell train, as soon as I said, the crossing's gonna go...
Yeah, that's what... Yeah, as Adam Richardson said, you're magic. He likes it when people say when about to go off and then it just goes off on them when you say it. Yeah, Callow 5 did that at Cromwell level crossing up in Staffordshire.
As soon as I said, I think the crossing's going to go somewhere right now, the crossing just went off.
Yeah, Callow 5 did that at Cromwell exactly the same time as the crossing went off, and it was only a 2 trains an hour level crossing.
And Adam Richardson just said, "Oh, you are magic."
Yeah. That music is pretty cool.
Is she coming?
Not yet.
I think we may be...
Yep, here she comes.
Yeah, I think we're here for the train that we might have been staying in the last closure.
Yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, the one that we might have been staying in the last closure.
On Sunday, it was a blooming pain. Last Sunday at Egmanton, it was a pain because all the trains were delayed. Looking for the diagram, if I wouldn't have had that diagram, then I would have missed closures. But looking for me, I didn't miss an amber light at all. I got quite a few.
Actually, you didn't catch the amber light at Mansley Bay level crossing.
I know that, but at Egmanton on Sunday, I got a 4 sideways videos at Egmanton, and I missed no amber lights.
Was it like? Were you like?
We've got. Yeah, we've got.
Oh, I missed the amber light.
H2210! H2210 90 and 115 to Wilkins Cross, and we're staying for our 1911, wherever that is. Yes. What's happened? The thing's just gone funny.
You want me to look?
Oh no, 2012 1031 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Wilkins Cross to Edinburgh.
Expected to pass at what?
2011.
2011, that's a year. We've already been past that one.
That wasn't a year ago, that was 4 years ago.
We're in 2015 now.
Yeah.
It would be funny if you said the time now is 2015 on the Friday, the 2nd of October 2015.
No, it'd be funny if I said 2011.
It would either be funny if you said time now is 2015. Well, we're already in 2015.
It'd be cool if I said, accidentally said, time is 2015 on Friday the 2nd of October 2010, so that's what the time is now, 2010.
Yeah.
It's amazing how many
Videos
years.
at 2010. You started making them
2014. Yeah, I know. We've got. I've still been a train spotter all my life. We've got 82 224 to Edinburgh. Is that? I'm not big go.
And that's it.
You know it is. Let's guys, we'll see you in the next video.